Hey there, travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of Iran's most fascinating cities, Kerman. Located in the southeast of Iran, Kerman is a city of rich history, stunning architecture, and breathtaking natural landscapes. From ancient citadels to beautiful gardens, Kerman has so much to offer for those looking to explore Iran's unique heritage. Let's dive into the top attractions of this captivating city. Kerman, the most fascinating cities. 1. RG BAM. Our first stop is the incredible RGE BAM, the Bomb Citadel. This ancient adobe structure is the largest in the world and has a history dating back over 2,000 years. Though heavily damaged in an earthquake in 2003, restoration efforts have brought much of its beauty back to life. Walking through the citadel feels like stepping into a different era, with its towering walls, labyrinthine alleys, and panoramic views of the desert. It's a must-visit for anyone interested in the history of the Silk Road. 2. Gonbad-i Jabalaya. Next, we visit Gonbad-i Jabaliyah, or the Dome of Jabaliyah, a mysterious stone structure that dates back to the pre-Islamic era. While its exact origins remain unknown, it's thought to have served as a Zoroastrian fire temple. Made entirely of stone, unlike most of the region's brick structures, this dome stands out with its unique design and mysterious aura. The surrounding mountains add to its beauty, making it a great spot for photographers and history enthusiasts. 3. Shahzda Garden, or Prince's Garden. For a touch of greenery in the desert, let's visit the stunning Shahzda Garden or Prince's Garden. This Persian garden, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a true oasis with its flowing water fountains, tall trees, and beautiful mansion. Built in the Qajar era, Shahzda Garden is a perfect example of Persian garden design, where water and architecture come together to create a paradise in the middle of the arid landscape. It's especially magical at sunset when the garden lights up and the fountains reflect the golden light. 4. Jame Mosque of Kerman. Our next stop is the Jama Mosque of Kerman, a beautiful example of Islamic architecture that dates back to the 14th century. The mosque is known for its stunning entrance portal, decorated with intricate blue tiles and geometric patterns. Inside, the peaceful courtyard and beautifully designed prayer halls create a serene atmosphere, perfect for a moment of reflection. The mosque's architecture is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Kerman. 5. Lut Desert. Lastly, let's venture out to the awe-inspiring Lut Desert, home to the famous Kalutes, massive wind-sculpted formations that rise out of the desert floor. The Lut Desert is known as one of the hottest places on Earth, and the otherworldly landscape here is like nothing else you've ever seen. The best time to visit is early morning or late afternoon, when the sun casts long shadows over the sand formations, creating a dramatic and unforgettable scene. It's a must-visit for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Kerman is truly a city where history and nature meet, offering a unique experience for travelers seeking both adventure and culture. From ancient citadels and lush gardens to the breathtaking landscapes of the desert, there's so much to explore here. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new adventure. Let us know in the comments which place in Kerman you're most excited to visit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next journey.